Hello and welcome to a seed update. Yay! Um, these are still the asparagus. I still have two different kinds of plants growing in them, and I'm not sure that that's right. I see the ones that look like asparagus, and they're doing what little asparagus shoots do. They fan up. Um, I think the other ones might be male or female, different plants. They're same plant, different sex. I'm not sure. I don't know. Those all came from the same seed packet. So, yeah, at least I know there's some asparagus in there. I'm going to be planting it just outside this window and see what happens. Yeah, it's weird because there's some that are purple. Like that one. I don't know if you can see those very well. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, here we got tomatoes. They're not growing yet. They're just seeded in their little cups. So they won't be very interesting for another 8 to 10 days. Onions are doing fine. Onions, onions. The ones that aren't doing fine are sitting up here, hoping that they will still come through. Let's see, I put more onion seeds in there because the package got wet and therefore they needed to be getting in the ground right away. I was going to add them to the dirt out in the raised beds and let them go out there, but they're starting in there now. Let's see here. We got broccoli. Yeah, that's what that is. Broccoli was planted yesterday. It's not doing much yet. These guys, this one I'm going to be watching very carefully. I do not know what seeds I planted. They were in a thing, and they could be just about anything. I do not know what they were. So I planted them, and we'll see what they are. I think that's the ones that I don't know what they are. I know that those ones I don't know what they are. Are those ones I don't know what they are? I don't know. I got, somewhere I've got catnip. Where'd the catnip go? Maybe that's the catnip. I don't know. I don't see any little cups that say cat. I remember making cups that say cat. Where did they go? Yes, folks, I am this disorganized. There they are. I know I put some catnip somewhere. They're back there, guys. Not growing yet, but anyway. These flowers in these big red cups are not growing yet. See now, here. Those also came out of the same package of asparagus. And I do not know if those are asparagus because they don't look like the things that look like asparagus that are growing in other cups. I don't know. What do I know? These are squash. They are summer squash, getting ready for summer. Anyway, I think there's a couple of marigolds going so far. There's one back there. Yeah. There's some marigolds in those. There's another one there. Yeah, they're starting to sprout. Chives. They're not. Oh, wait, I see one. I see a chive. Let's see if I can. Is that the right one? 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. There he is. Cool. Got a chive. That's a full-size onion that came from leftover things that didn't get cooked. And so I put it in a pot and it's growing, of course, because things do that. The Tabascos They should be starting to sprout any time now, those guys. I got plenty of peppers here, from bell peppers to cayenne to jalapenos to tabascos to habaneros to whatever else. And as you can see, they're starting to sprout. They're doing really nice. So yeah, gonna have a lot of stuff going on outside in the raised garden beds as soon as I get some dirt in them. Should I give you a quick glance at where I'm at with the beds? Sure, why not? Got nothing better to do, right? Anyway, they are filled with leaves and branches and logs and grass and whatever else I was able to toss in there. And that one we know I used last year. I just basically covered that one back up with more cardboard to put more dirt on top, because it compacts and shrinks every year until it gets a really good foundation going inside it. It's still shrinking, so yeah, more dirt this year. Anyway, those beds are ready. This is where the asparagus is gonna go. I'm supposed to be getting some pallets so I can finish building the long bed and the tea part, so that I can start filling it with yard waste and all that kind of good old stuff. The cardboard in front of it is for throw some more dirt down on top of that and plant the sunflowers. Got plenty of sunflower seeds. Okay, that's just about it with the gardens. All right, thank you for listening. I really do appreciate you. Let's all drink a beer. Goodbye.